I pledge that if I am confirmed, I will do all my powers permit to be a faithful servant of the Constitution and laws of this great country.
With this nominee, there's too much at risk.
All right, this morning, reaction to President Trump's nomination of Judge Neil Gorsuch is dividing along party lines here. Gorsuch with strong Oklahoma ties. The Denver judge worked for religious liberty back in 2013. He sided with Hobby Lobby in their decision to opt out of Obamacare mandates. So to examine the impact of the Supreme Court pick, we turn to political analyst Mark Sandalo, who is in Washington for us. And Mark, if Gorsuch is confirmed, will it make any difference in pending cases?
There are some cases, Marky, which are before the court now where the 4-4 divide has basically prevented any action. There are some union cases where people who don't want to join unions, don't want to pay dues, it's before the court. But the key to the understanding this nomination is to remember that this keeps in place the same ideological split that was there when Antonin Scalia was on the court. Roughly 5 conservatives and 4 liberals. The big change would come if one of the liberals, say Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who's 82 years old, if she were to leave the court and be replaced by another conservative like Gorsuch. Now we're talking about a different texture of the court that could last for a generation.
All right, Mark, and last question to you. You know, keeping with the topic of confirmations here, what is the latest in the battle over President Trump's cabinet nominations? We know our own Oklahoma Attorney General Scott Pruitt, one of those expected to be confirmed today.
Hey, if Pruitt makes it past, probably everyone will, because there's actually very few nominees that have upset Democrats more than Pruitt for the Environmental Protection Agency. Most of them are going to get through because Democrats killed their ability to filibuster these. One interesting note, show you how incestuous Washington is. There was an EPA nominee 35 years ago under Ronald Reagan who didn't get as much controversy. Her name was Ann Burwell. Who is she? She's the mother of the justice who was just nominated by Donald Trump last night.